Today, I'll teach you the simplest way to animate a punch barrage. Now, you've seen what it looks like. Let's animate ours using flipaclip. Start by naming your project. Also remember to use 24 frames per second if you want smooth, fast animation of the barrage. Turn on the grid and onions for consistent stick size and shape. Choose a suitable pen size and let's get to work. Draw keyframes first. In this situation, the keyframe poses are when he's standing and when he is punching. Use grid lines to ensure the size is consistent. Now we're done with the keyframes, let's add some in-betweens. Now let's add heads. Now for the punch barrage animation. Copy, paste, and shift the stickman on each frame to give the shaky effect. After we're done with that, let's draw the punches. Since it's a fast punch, we draw hands in different positions each frame. We draw punches on each frame with smears. Enjoy the time lapse. Adjust the timing by copying some frames. Finally, copy and paste the punches frames to create the loop. Before we see the final result, subscribe to the new channel, where I'll be posting other form of animation content. Link is in the description below.